I was talking with a guy the other day who referred to Azure as a big box provider, so useful and interesting in that light. I thought Cosmos DB is a good way to illustrate this. So if we look here, at the moment it's set to 1,000, so it's just a little tiny site, but we could, for example, set it to 10,000. And because of the auto scale, what it means is it'll be 10,000 when you're busy, but you only pay for 1,000 when it's not busy. So that's pretty interesting. And then I might want to not just have cheap data, but replicated data. So here I come, and I'm going to add on a read-only site, and that's how complicated it is. You click it on, and then you're away and racing. But the problem with that is, of course, now you're paying for two sites. And so that's where this little feature here starts to become interesting. So we've got dynamic scaling per region, and essentially that decouples the active write site from the failover read site. Now you're only paying for one of these. So how does this all play out? We're paying about 1,400 US per month to provision 10,000 transactions per second, which is pretty, decent size. And that compares to SQL, which would be about 12,000 US for the same thing. So we can just do things now that we were never able to do before, and that's pretty interesting. I hope this is helpful. Bye.